Hello, Francis.
Well, hello.
How are you?
Great.
You're great?
Yep.
How come you're great?
Because I'm getting old.
How come you're so old?
Well, it was very difficult to think about.
It was?
Yep.
Where, do you know where you are right now?
Well, there's a big place here that I really like. That is like 1, 5, and that's about all I can see.
Where? It sounds like you have a little bit of a cold today.
Very likely.
Yeah, your voice sounds a little hoarse.
The things for the television.
Oh.
That's what I do.
Oh, you didn't like that? Oh. Well, I'm sure they'll turn up. And what do you think of Molly here? Remember Molly, this woman over here?
Hi. Well, this isn't the same woman.
It isn't?
No.
Is she different?
Yeah, and I don't know why.
What?
Huh?
How am I different?
You are different.
In a good way or a bad way?
That's a good way, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, you seem to be in pretty good spirits today.
Well, it's pretty nice to have a few around.
Okay. Well, Boyce and I are gonna go swimming now. So, I'll stop back and see you later, okay?
Have a good time.
Okay, thank you. And, we'll have fun, and you take it easy today.
Okay.
Drink lots of water. Get plenty of rest. All the above.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.